Today, we'll be solving LeetCode 141, Linked List Cycle. This is a classic problem that teaches us how to detect cycles in linked lists, which is super important when working with pointers and memory in data structures. Let's get started. We are given the head of a singly linked list, and we need to figure out if there's a cycle in it. In simple words, a cycle happens when you can keep moving forward through the list but eventually come back to a node you've already visited, kind of like running in a circle. We need to return true if a cycle exists, and false if the list ends normally without looping back. The best way to detect a cycle without using extra memory is the two-pointer technique, also known as Floyd's Tortoise and Hare algorithm. Here's the idea. We'll use two pointers, a slow one and a fast one. The slow pointer moves one step at a time. The fast pointer moves two steps at a time. If there's no cycle, the fast pointer will eventually reach the end of the list. But if there is a cycle, the fast pointer will eventually catch up to the slow pointer, just like two people running on a track where one runs faster than the other. Let's go through the code. We create two pointers. Slow and fast. Both start at the head of the list. Now, we use a while loop to keep moving through the list. This loop runs as long as fast is not null and fast.next is also not null. That means we haven't reached the end of the list yet. We move the slow pointer forward by one step. We move the fast pointer forward by two steps. Then we check, have the slow and fast pointers met? If yes, that means we are in a cycle, so we return true. If we exit the loop, that means the fast pointer reached the end of the list. So, there is no cycle, and we return false. Let's talk about time and space complexity. The time complexity is O of n, where n is the number of nodes in the list. In the worst case, we might visit every node once. The space complexity is O of 1, because we're only using two pointers and not storing anything extra. Let's quickly review the main takeaways. This problem uses a common technique called the two-pointer method. Floyd's Tortoise and Hare algorithm is a smart way to detect cycles using constant memory. It's great for interviews because it checks your understanding of linked lists, pointers, and memory usage. And that's how you solve LeetCode 141, Linked List Cycle. I hope you guys found this helpful. Thank you for watching and let's keep learning.